$1,100 monitor from Philips. They sent it to me to review, so let's unbox it. Oh, you can't see me. Video is ruined. So this is what's included. So we have a DisplayPort cable, HDMI cable, USB 3.1 Gen 1. So basically it's going from the PC to the monitor via USB-C. Power cable, very thick manual and quick start guide. Smart uniformity data sheet at shipment. So basically it's like a checklist of color uniformity, because this style of monitor, it's not for gaming, right? I know a lot of people were asking about what's the refresh rate, what's the hertz. This is not a gaming monitor. It's $1,100 for a reason. And this base is, oh, it's interesting, it's shiny. The power brick, and it is a big boy brick. The stand, this is very good quality. Just gonna carry an $1,100 monitor on the side just like this. Don't worry about it. Everything's fine. Just a hand screw back here. That's a flat base. And it turns like this. Ooh. Pop it on. Oh, that was very simple and uneventful. Swivel it just a little bit. Okay, so why is this $1,100? Well, you're gonna have to stay tuned for that one. Now hint, this does have what they're calling their multi-client integrated KVM. If you know what a KVM is, you know why this has a higher price tag. Cable management on this is gonna be honestly kind of silly because, yeah, it just has this little tiny clip right here. So no matter what you do, you're gonna see cables because, yeah. Satisfying. And so a nice practical use for this would be, let's say you have your PC plugged into any of these, right? And then your mouse and keyboard plugged into the USBs. And then say your laptop going into USB-C right there. Or you could have two PCs, say one plugged into DisplayPort, one plugged into HDMI, and then use the KVM switch to switch between PCs while still just using your main mouse and keyboard. No need for two mice and keyboards. This does travel up and down very easily with just one finger. It does tilt as well with just one finger, which is good. So this base is doing it. Now, when it comes to turning it, you have to turn it in the right direction. So it's just one direction to turn, like this. That's just one finger. The base is doing a very good job of it. Let's see, one finger coming back. Now that's a little tricky because this whole thing likes to spin as well. So turning it, probably two hands, just so you're not spinning it as well as turning. But this is full motion. I'm liking it. Well, almost full motion. You can't turn it like that. Turn it like that. After you raise it. And after you tilt it. That's fine. And so next video, we're gonna take a look at the OLED quality, the 99% Adobe RGB. That's one of the reasons why it is kind of pricey. It does have this KVM switch, and of course, it's just flexibility as well. So stay tuned.